All parties Hurriyat conference has expressed grave concern over the surge in Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement in Srinagar said since 1947 India has been using military might to break the will of the Kashmiri people and suppress their freedom sentiments, but has utterly failed in achieving its nefarious designs. Srinagar-based political and legal experts have said that India is plundering the natural resources of occupied Kashmir as a part of its systematic economic marginalization of the Kashmiris. According to Kashmir Media Service, political and legal experts in their interviews and statements said that India started exploiting the natural resources of Jammu and Kashmir immediately after it occupied the territory in 1947. Caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Kakar has warned that with the renewed determination and defense capability, Pakistan would respond if India resorted to any 2019 light aggression ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Prime Minister in a podcast with a digital media channel said, Pakistan will exactly do the same as it did in 2019. We will hit their planes, we will respond in the same coin. Neither our bullets nor our determination are old. Our bullets are new and our determination is quite renewed and fresh. Hindutva members desecrated and burned the pages of the Holy Quran in the Indian state of Jharkhand. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incident occurred when the Hindutva members, who mostly belong to the RSS, BJP, VHP and the Bajrang Dal, burned the pages of the Holy Quran in a field in the Jamtara district. A Hindutva mob led by the members of the extremist organization Bajrang Dal attacked a Christian missionary school in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Hindutva members, including a woman, forcefully entered the school in the Betul district where the prayers were going on there. A video of the attack is making rounds on the social media.